Guys, welcome to Jaden channel one more time. Today we're going to Mahaica Creek because we have some rice planting day and the combine gonna cut it today. So we're gonna go for a little trip today.
So guys, we are leaving to go up in Mahaica Creek for the rice harvesting. So you guys will see us up there. Alright guys, we are up in Mahaica Creek here. We are going to the rice field where you can see the combine. It's cutting the rice. This is a tractor driving.
A long time. I'm on the tractor for a couple years. Jaden, grandma is on the tractor.
All this is a farming at the bottom here. We're going up at the back in the rice field. Alright guys, this is the combine here. It's cutting the rice, as you could see. Already cut some, and you have a little more to cut. So guys, we are here in Mahaica Creek, handsome tree, where the rice is, the rice field, and you could see the combine, the tractor, and this is the rice field here behind me. As you could see, we gotta, when you go in a rice field, you have to make the land first, then you shine the paddy, then you grow it with water, and when you get yellow like this, you have to cut it. This is the paddy which you're gonna make the rice with. Well, the combine already surface up and ready to go to cut the rice. As you can see, this is the rice harvesting. As you can see, the combine is going there. Going to cut the rice. This is the bulk combine. As you start to cut the rice, the paddy going to fall in a bulk. This is my place. From here all the way up, you can see rice still at the top. Since I was a small little boy growing up here in Mahaica Creek, this is how we grew up, planting rice, farming, and a lot of cows, gardening. That's the way people in Mahaica Creek are making their living. Rice, cow, farming, gardening, and also fishing. This is the way rice farmers doing it. You gotta cut the rice a little early because of the rain. The rain comes down and the land start to get soft. It'll be hard for the combine to cut.
First time on a combine for me. So many years, this is the first time I really enjoy cutting the rice. So now we're going to catch some fish. I'm coming on here, but I'm kind of scared, but
Look at that little,
I really enjoy it.
look at that little guy on top there. Alright, we park the combine. We take it back the tractor down. Going back out on the road.
Going home now.
Yeah, we are going home back.
Okay, we just came from Mahaica Creek, and before I go home, I try to drop in a little to see my mom. And yesterday, she buy 25 pound pepper, and sometime when the pepper didn't sell, she just make the pepper sauce. So here is the pepper sauce, my mom. Look at this pepper sauce, and she sell this pepper sauce. Mommy, how much you sell this pepper sauce for? $500 Guyana for one bottle of this pepper sauce. And yesterday she buy this pepper and she done already make this pepper sauce. She have some here for she own use. She have some soury and some different things for she own use. But this she gonna sell. Over here, look at this. How much pepper my mom make? This is grind pepper. This one is soury. This one is wiri pepper. And she didn't know we came in, so she hustled for go cook, but we already buy stuff, so I didn't want she cook all the time. And she have a bucket of lime achar, I think that, yeah, lime achar. We just dropping to see her, and then tomorrow we going home just now, and tomorrow we have to go to church.
This is my mother-in-law kitchen. So we stop in here.
Can you imagine? She buy this pepper, and she make this pepper, and she sells this pepper for $500. And look at this. And she's 67 years old, and she do all this for herself.